Binance just launched a brand new coin, and you can earn it completely free with zero risk and no need to buy anything. It's called INIT, and it's now live on Binance Launchpool. Early users are already farming rewards passively. If you're wondering how even beginners can take advantage of this, stay with me till the end of the video. And by the way, if you want daily free crypto signals, early launch alerts, and personal support, make sure to join my WhatsApp crypto group. The link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Pulse so you never miss a new opportunity. Welcome back to Crypto Pulse, your go-to channel for crypto launches, trading strategies, and passive income ideas. In this video, we're talking about INIT, the newest coin on Binance Launchpool, and how you can earn it absolutely free. And here's a bonus. If you want a step-by-step visual guide to farming INIT or need help getting started, I've shared an exclusive video tutorial and farming checklist in my WhatsApp crypto group. So don't miss out. Join us using the link in the description below. INIT is the native token of INIT, a Layer 1 blockchain that also includes a roll-up framework. It's designed for scalability, multi-chain support, and real-world adoption. INIT will be used for governance transaction fees, cross-chain operations. With Binance backing this project, INIT has strong potential for future growth, especially for early users farming it through Launchpool. Binance Launchpool allows users to earn new coins for free by staking existing assets like BNB or FDUSD. Here's how it works. You stake your BNB or FDUSD INIT tokens are distributed daily. Farming lasts 7 days. You can claim your rewards anytime. No trading, no buying, just passive crypto farming. This makes it beginner-friendly and risk-managed, ideal for new users. Let's talk about INIT's specific launch details. Launchpool start date, April 19, 2025, token listing on Binance. April 25, 2025. Total INIT supply. 1 billion Launchpool reward. 300 million INIT reward pools. BNB pool. 240 million INIT, 80%. FDUSD pool. 60 million INIT, 20%. You'll earn more if you stake BNB because of the larger allocation. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Here's how to farm INIT step-by-step on Binance. 1. Log into Binance. 2. Go to Earn, Launchpool. 3. Select INIT Launchpool. 4. Choose the pool, BNB or FDUSD. 5. Enter the amount you want to stake. 6. Hit Stake. Now your rewards start instantly and update every hour. You can claim INIT tokens daily and unstake after the farming ends. You can do this using the Binance app or desktop site. To earn the maximum INIT rewards, follow these tips. Stake early. Rewards are higher in the first few hours. Use BNB. Bigger reward pool chucks more tokens. Don't unstake early. Let it run full 7 days. Monitor APR, track and switch pools if needed. Compound later. Consider using INIT tokens for long-term yield. Even staking 10 BNB can earn you around $20 to $40 worth of INIT, depending on the APR. Free crypto. Zero risk. That's your full guide to INIT on Binance Launchpool. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Pulse, hit the bell icon, and like this video so we can reach more crypto lovers like you. Planning to farm INIT? Or have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll reply to everyone. See you in the next video. And happy farming!